Famous stars who do not have any godfather in Bollywood. Shah Rukh Khan. King Khan of Bollywood, SRK struggled hard and faced many rejections to reach where he is now. The actor did not have any connections in Bollywood industry and now he is the richest actor in Bollywood. Anushka Sharma. This actress was in modeling before acting and she auditioned for several movies before gaining her big Bollywood debut. Anushka knew none in the industry and faced rejections, but she never gave up on her dream and now she is a popular actress. Akshay Kumar. The Khiladi Kumar belonged from a very humble background and he worked as a chef and waiter before joining Bollywood. Gradually, the actor made his own identity in the B-Town and now he is one of the A-list actors in Bollywood. Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka started her career as a model and after winning the title of Miss World, she entered the Tinseltown. Without having any godfather in the industry, the actress is now a global icon working in Hollywood too and married with a pop star. Ranveer Singh. This actor had a passion of becoming an actor and he followed his passion. He got acting classes and worked hard to get his debut. The actor faced many rejections but without any godfather, the actor is now one of the leading actors in Bollywood. Kangana Ranaut. Because of her looks, this actress was rejected several times by filmmakers. Even after her debut, she struggled a lot. Now Kangana is one of the top Bollywood actresses and she is also one of the highest paid actresses. She won National Award too. Kartik Aaryan. This very young actor got enormous fame within just a few years from his debut in B-Town. But the actor struggled too much. The actor knew no one in the industry and now he is one of the most sought after actors in the Indian movies. Deepika Padukone. One of the leading ladies of Bollywood, Deepika started her career as a model and through modeling she got her grand debut. This actress did not have any godfather in the industry and just by struggling hard, she has reached where she is now. Irfan Khan. After hardships of many years, the actor got his well-deserved fame in the Bollywood. He became an icon without having anyone. Madhuri Dixit. Well, the evergreen diva of Bollywood is undoubtedly a self-made star as she knew nobody in the Tinseltown before her debut. Rajkumar Rao. This talented national award-winning actor came and is conquering the B-Town on his own. He is a self-made star. Vidya Balan. This actress has given us some spectacular performances and she has no godfather in the industry. John Abraham. This handsome hunk worked as a model before joining Bollywood. It is because of his hard work he is now a star. Preity Zinta. This bubbly actress of Bollywood auditioned for many roles and got her debut in Mani Ratnam's Dil Se along with SRK. Govinda. This hit actor is also a self-made star in Bollywood as he had no one in the industry. He was one of the hit actors of 90s. Rekha. The evergreen beauty of Bollywood, Rekha struggled hard and got many rejections before her Bollywood debut. Remo D'Souza. This popular choreographer started from the scratch and now he is one of the highest paid choreographers and a hit filmmaker too. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.